Hey there, Tad Hargrave from marketingforhippies.com, and today's video is about point of view marketing. So I wrote a book called Point of View Marketing that you might want to check out. I'll see if I remember to put a link. But I just hosted my retreat for my mentorship program and had 8 of the 12 participants here in my living room over the last weekend. And one of the things that came up was one of the people in the group is a homeopath, and as she was talking about the work she did, she said one of the challenges is that she's found her work so effective, but people don't believe it. It doesn't seem credible. It seems a little outlandish. And this is the message for today, is that your point of view is what makes your outlandish claims seem credible. To say it differently, if you present your outlandish claims without a point of view to back it up, it will just seem outlandish. It'll seem too good to be true, unrealistic, there's no way that could happen, etc. Sometimes the results that we're offering, sometimes they're fairly reasonable, and sometimes that they really are so out of people's context they can't imagine it being true. You know, they suffered with something so long, it's hard to imagine it ever going away. And most people have been burned a lot by people who said, yeah, I'll help you, and then it didn't really help. So this is where point of view comes in, because what point of view functionally says is, okay, so you're here and you want to be here. You're on island A where you've got some symptoms you don't like. You want to be on island B where you have some results that you're craving. Here's my take on the best way to make that journey. The more that this makes sense to them logically, the more likely they are to want to say yes to working with you. So the emotional relevance gets established by the journey from island A to island B. It's a problem you're suffering with, you really don't like it, there's a result that you really want, you're yearning for. That's the emotional relevance. But what makes it logically credible to them is your point of view about this. And if you leave that point of view out, it seems like hype. It seems you're just another person making false promises out there. So that's the thought for today. I'll see if I can put the link in for the Point of View Marketing ebook. It's really good. You should get it. And yeah, that's all for today. Take care.